Today is the day, guys. I am so excited and grateful to have the dynamic team that I have in place, and most importantly, being able to help you guys B.Y.O.B, build your own business. Today we are going to be doing what? Building business plans, changing lives, making money in our sleep, and things of that nature. I just want to give a sincere thanks to all of the support. You guys rock. Remember my motto, I can't let anything control my mind, mood, or money.
See, wisdom, using your brain, knowing who I am. That's why when I was able to go into major corporations and they talked down on me, I knew who I was. It gave me the confidence and enthusiasm. You tap into all of these things, and I will assure you, not only will you own your business, you will be successful in them.
So when talking about the cash flow quadrant, right? You got a left side, you got a right side, right? 5% of the world, right, operates on the right side. 95% of the world operates on the left side. Y'all got that? On the left side, 95%. On the right side, 5%, right? On the left side, 5% of the world's wealth is controlled on the left side. On the right side, it controls 95% of the world's wealth. So with just those two sides, ask yourself, which side would you like to be on? The left side or the right side?
I got people, I'm making money, I'm on a 10-day cruise earlier this month. And I made like $4,000 and I didn't even work. That's a business.
Alright, hey, Toy, what's going on? It's your boy Eric Benet. You holding it down at I Can't Coaching, and I'm proud of you for doing your thing.